Hi everybody, Rick here. Welcome to Digital Fortress. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to back up two folders, Secrets 1.0 and Wallets 1.0 for Daedalus on both Windows and on the Mac OSX. The reason I'm doing this is because there's an upcoming release of Cardano 1.4 and it may be necessary to delete the entire wallet from your computer and restore it from your 12-word seed or something to that effect. So as an extra backup method, I'm going to copy these folders to another location so there's a backup. Then what I'm going to do as an extra measure to check on it is I'm going to delete the entire wallet, the entire Daedalus file system from the computer and restore using these files. So let's take a look at how that's done. So for Mac OSX, I'm going to use this previously created wallet that I did in another video. And we're going to back up the Wallet TAC 1.0 and Secrets TAC 1.0 folders for this wallet. The first thing I'm going to do is close the wallet, close Daedalus. Then I have to configure my Finder so I can move the files. I'm going to open 2 copies of Finder. Okay, there's my 2 copies. And I need to turn on this home folder. Normally it's off, so to turn it on, we're going to go to Finder Preferences. And in the Finder Preferences, there's a check block to show the home folder. I check it off, it's off, turn it back on. So this is just where I'm going to put the Daedalus Wallet Backup folder. I'm just calling it Daedalus Backup. That's where I'm going to put the Secrets 1.0 and the Wallet 1.0 folder in here. So I just want this available so I can see where it's located. And that's where I will put, I'm going to click on that. Inside here, I'm going to select new folder and create a folder called Daedalus Backup. Now I go to the other Finder window and I go to Patrick, the home folder there. And I need to be able to show hidden files. Normally you cannot see this library file. That's where I need to go. To get it to show, you simply press and hold Command Shift and touch the period button, and it hides the hidden files, or Command Shift period shows them again. So you press and hold Command Shift period, and you can hide and show the hidden files. So we go to Library, Application Support, Daedalus, click on Secrets, Command click Wallet so that I have both of them highlighted, right click Copy, then I go back to Daedalus Backup over here, and in that folder I right click Paste. Now I have backups of those 2 folders. At this point you're done. The rest of this video I'm going to delete and obliterate the Daedalus folder completely, reinstall it, and then try the restore process just to make sure it's going to work. So now in my right hand window, I'm going to go to the Daedalus folder, right click, move to trash, Applications folder, select Daedalus, move to trash, then open my trash and empty it. It'll take a while. There's a lot of small files. That's why 1.4 is going to completely remove 1.3 and replace it with a newer, more efficient file system. So now Daedalus is completely removed. Trash is empty. On my right hand Finder here, I'm going to go back to Patrick, the home folder, this home folder, Library, Application Support, and Daedalus is completely gone. Now I'm going to install a new Daedalus and put these 2 folders back in to see if it works. So I'm going to launch Safari, and I'm on daedaluswallet.io. Good website. I'm going to go to Download. Download Daedalus. Download is complete. And I'm going to verify the checksum because for Cardano 1.4 or whatever this version changes to for the Daedalus version number, it's going to have a different checksum. I'm going to compare this number to GitHub real quick because security check there. So on GitHub we have, here it is, 6 Alpha Delta 90 Delta Alpha Charlie Charlie 22 Alpha Echo 4, and it's a match. So I'm going to do a quick check on the checksum for the SHA-256 by launching a terminal and running a command. So I'm going to press Command Space Bar to open a Spotlight search, type in terminal, enter, launches a terminal. Then I'm going to change directory to downloads and type checksum tac A256 and begin spelling Daedalus, D-A-E, tab complete, and that finishes the file name for the file I just downloaded. And I hit enter. It runs the math and I verify that the numbers are a match. And they are. Now these numbers are going to change for 1.4 because it's a unique number based off the ones and zeros that are inside this file, the Daedalus 0110. So when this updates, it's going to change that number. Now I'm going to do the install. For additional security, you can do the PGP signature check. You can see how that's done in other videos that I've made. Now I'm going to launch Daedalus. The installation will begin. In case I hadn't pointed it out earlier, so I made this Daedalus backup in this home folder here because I don't want to put it in documents or on the desktop, because on my real account I have documents and desktop set to iCloud, and I think a lot of people use document and desktop as default for iCloud, so that would be really bad to put the secrets and wallet folders in the cloud, such as, if you were to put it in the documents or desktop, it would be replicated on the cloud. Then if your cloud got hacked, someone would be able to get your data and steal your money. So it's just an extra layer of security to not put it out on the cloud, and that's why I did that here. Daedalus is almost done synchronizing. Let's bring it to the foreground. There we go, the blockchain sync is complete. This is the point where, if you were normally installing like Daedalus 1.4 or restoring Daedalus 1.3, let's just kind of stick with that as a baseline, you would use the restore feature right here and insert your 12-word seeds to restore the wallet. What I'm going to do to test this backup method is exit Daedalus. And by reinstalling Daedalus, it created another folder here with secrets and wallet. So I'm going to delete those by clicking, then command clicking the second one, move to trash. Then I'll take my backup folders, copy, paste into this directory, then relaunch Daedalus. And it worked. Backup was a success by moving those two files. Instead of getting the restore selection, I got the original wallet that I started with. So there you have it, a backup method for backing up your Daedalus folders for 1.3 going on to 1.4. As soon as Cardano 1.4 is released, I'm going to test it. The procedures I showed you in this video will in fact work on Cardano 1.4. If these procedures will not work on 1.4, then I'll delete the video from YouTube. That way people aren't using something they shouldn't be using. But in case it does come in handy, you will have the video available, and you maybe have a little bit more confidence that you have a backup sitting in the background. Although IOHK does a great job on these updates, I think we'll be in really good shape, but I like a little extra measure of protection there, so I'm going to run the backup procedures. Feel free to hit like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Use the bell for notifications. I hope you all have a great day. Bye-bye.